Greetings. Today I want to talk to you about creating topics in Google Classroom. I've had several students who have said that they can't find their Zoom links and they can't find their assignments. They feel unorganized. I have some teachers who also would like to become better organized. So I want to just touch again on making topics in Google Classroom. If you make topics, great. If you don't use them all the time, I would highly recommend that you do this, and I'll show you quickly how to do that. So I'm in my sports and entertainment marketing class. I have a student who is doing an internship on that, and I have created an assignment getting ready to talk about his blog. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that and going down to edit the assignment. So it's almost ready to assign to the student, but I wanted to show you how I assign it and then create the topic. So I can click on this down arrow and you can see the sports and entertainment marketing is checked. But if there are other classes that get this same assignment, I can check all those other classes as well. It's going to all students, but it doesn't have to go to all students. It can just go to one or two students if necessary. I'm going to go ahead and change the points for this assignment. I'm going to set the due date for Friday, and you can do the optional time, or my students are used to the 11:59 since it's a different type of class. And I'm going to go here and click on topic. I already have the topic that I'm going to set this in, but if I want to create a topic, I can go ahead and create a topic and say I want to name it Zoom links. And I'll go ahead and create that, but in this particular time, I want to go ahead and add it to the blogging Adobe Spark. There is also a rubric that you can use. Just keep in mind that you can just click on that, and then you also can check for plagiarism. You only get so many per month, but that's a possibility. Remember that you can schedule an assignment ahead of time. You just click on this and you just determine when you want to assign it and then set the time. I'm going to go ahead and assign this because he's going to go ahead and get this now. So I'll go ahead and see this, and he's going to go ahead and get this. So if I scroll down, I can see that this assignment is now showing up here under the blogging Adobe Spark. But if my students are automatically going to stream, which is what I don't want them to do, everything is just straight listed out. But you can see off to the left that they have their assignments that are due. But if I go to classwork and then I can scroll up to the top of my page, I have my topics. So I know that I have an assignment that's due on Friday. I can click on that particular assignment and then it takes me right to where I need to be. So if you're not using topics, I would highly recommend it, not only for you, but for your students as well, because I've been seeing many students that are having trouble just keeping organized while they're at home. And this is one way that will help them stay better organized. So as always, if you have a question, please reach out and we'll work together. Have a great day.